All over the place. Oh, old school side sketching. What do you guys got? Alright. I know that bike's getting hot, so he's going to have to park it here in a minute. We want to invite you guys to come over to the vendor area. He's going to be over there signing autographs. Get yourself a free autograph poster. Check out these BMWs. Space, I'm not sure if there is or not, but we can probably do some test rides here today. And if not, get to your local BMW dealership, sign up, and give one of these things a shot. You're going to love it. Bringing it in close. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Yeah! Yeah! Jeez! You know, he's clutch control.
Alright. One more stoppie up on that wheel. All the way around. Giving you guys a fist pump. That is the most dangerous stunt that you can do right there. Alright, how to park a bike by Teach Mcniel. Everybody give it up for the teacher.
Yeah!
We want to thank you guys for hanging out with us.